In this video, I will show you how you can split your screen in CapCut. So as you can see here, this is one side, there's an image, and the other side there's a video. Now how I can split this, right? So very first thing, let's say this video is 100% zoom video. Now how I can split this, right? So first of all, let's say I want to split this two video at the same time. For example, 50-50 of the section. Select the first video, and here you have to select it, and I'll just move it here, right? And this is a scale option. You can change the scale option and where you want to shift, right? So for example, I like in this section, and this should be the blue color, which is the other one. So I can also click on it, and I can also move it wherever I want. For example, I like this one, right? So this is a way which I can do so. And if I just play this video, right, you can see it's playing at the same time. And for example, this clip is too much scaled up, so I will just make it small here, right? And I will fit it like this. Now I can just play this. And for example, I want in this way, right? I can also do so. So this is how you can do, and thanks for watching this video.